That's odd. So now it's the viewfinder that's magenta. MPB, can we fix that? Seems there's a little bit of trouble here. Viewfinder is magenta. Definitely magenta. I don't know, just viewfinder is magenta. So I'm going to do a little bit more tests and figure out what's the problem. Another problem. There's obviously a problem. I'm just going to have to return it again. Damn it! MPB. If I show the inside of the camera, it's definitely very magenta. Okay. It's a beautiful view. So how about I take a picture and test the beast. Damn it. All good. No, I don't need the new phone to break as well, especially that I don't have the money. Now I'm going to take a picture of the field, the sunset. Let's see. Very good. Kind of, I have to say, the one camera was leading towards the green. This one is leading towards the magenta. Green I don't like. Looks chemical. Right here, look at this, beautiful. This is very beautiful. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. All of a sudden, I mean, I feel like actually there is a little bit of natural magenta in those colors. It's absolutely normal. I'm so excited with my new camera. You know, it's all thanks to MPB. Thank you for replacing my camera. Thank you for giving me the satisfaction and the service that I expect for equipment that, well, I couldn't afford to buy new. And therefore I can trust you. So thank you, MPB. Thank you very much.